Class 9th Science, Physics and Chapter Motion related. Here, first question: what is motion? Or movement of object. Motion of object. Definition: when an object changes its position with the time, then object is in motion. And second question: write difference between displacement and distance. Displacement and distance. Write difference between displacement and distance. Displacement and here distance. First, measurement of length of 2 points and between 2 points of straight path. Straight path means in fixed direction. Fixed direction is called displacement. Measurement of length between 2 points of straight path in bracket fixed direction is called displacement. And here measurement of length length between 2 points or between points, we can say in zigzag path. zigzag मतलब टेढ़ा मेढ़ा रास्ता, zigzag path. Zigzag path means any direction, not fixed direction, any direction. Means displacement does not depend on direction, is called distance. Number 2. Number 2. Displacement is vector quantity. Vector quantity means a quantity which contains magnitude and direction both is called vector quantity, while scalar another quantity, and scalar quantity that has only magnitude not direction is called scalar quantity. So displacement is vector quantity and distance is scalar quantity. Because it has no direction, only magnitude, only value, 5 centimeter, only fixed, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 5, 2, these numbers are only magnitude. Number 3. Displacement means it is denoted by d with arrow, and it is denoted by d, not with arrow. So number 4, it is positive, negative and zero. It is positive, negative or zero. It may be positive, negative or zero. It is only positive. We explain again. Positive means if any object moves or goes from A to B in 5 km, so that is plus 5, and object returns from B to A, so it is minus 5 km direction change. While distance, object moves from A to B in 5 km to plus 5, then plus 5, and returns from B to A. So again we say that is also plus 5. AB plus 5, BA plus 5. So total positive. While displacement A to B plus 5 and B to A minus 5. Okay, thanks.